Oh, you're filming.
Yes, I am.
Perfect timing.
Cool.
Because I think the food is ready. It's perfect. Oh, smell it. It's ready.
Just smell it. Just smell the food.
Perfect. There's the number one cooking rule. Smack the garlic.
You say now we add the salt.
Now we add the salt.
This tastes, I swear, Annie agrees. This tastes exactly like Satan's
Hang on.
Satan's butthole.
Yeah.
Exactly.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Still Domi, still German, still in Shillong, right? And today I'm gonna show you my cooking skills and we're gonna cook some Naga food. So there's no food in yet, but probably soon. So I don't even know what we're cooking, but I have some guides. And yeah, let's just go and cook. Let's go. Okay, so first we're gonna make Naga chutney. And for this we have here fermented fish, I think some chilies, garlic I think, and some tomatoes which I'm gonna peel now. Then we're gonna make the chutney first. And I'm gonna show you how I make the chutney. It's my special recipe, my grandma told me. My grandma is from Nagaland. So, see you again once I peel those tomatoes. So first we're gonna add the fermented fish. And I think the garlic or the chilies?
You put the chilies first.
Okay, the chilies first. Oh, the fish is sticky. Also there's some salt in here, I think. Okay, we got the fish. We take the chilies. The garlic not?
You grind it first.
Okay, now I grind it. I just smack it like this.
Yes. Yes, you're doing it.
Oh, it's actually quite easy. Like I've done it for years.
You said your grandmother was Naga, right?
Yeah, but she never taught me how to do this. She just told me the recipe.
Okay.
Oh, that poor fish. His parents didn't expect that their sons one day will be crushed like this. In between chilies.
Domi, I can order from you.
Yes. It grinds actually very good. Like, you wouldn't expect this from wood. The ones in Germany we use, they're always from stone.
Wood and stone, they normally do the same job, which is a good job.
And you have to grind it like very good, so it becomes a paste. Like this here is not good yet. It has to be more grinded. Oh, it's actually hard work. So next we're gonna add the garlic, fresh garlic from the garden. And we're also gonna smack that garlic. There's the number one cooking rule. Smack the garlic.
That's how the vampires love it, right?
Like, imagine the garlic took your parking spot.
Right before you were about to park in that spot.
Yeah, exactly. Even more garlic. He also took my parking spot.
Smack it. So you have garlic, you have a wood. I think you're ready to kill vampires.
Yeah.
You can use this as a stick through the heart.
Smack that garlic.
Smack that garlic.
I think that's how I'm gonna call the video. Tommy's making garlic in India.
The garlic was a pretty bad girl, wasn't she?
A bad garlic.
Smack her.
You can add the tomatoes now.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm still angry on the garlic. Okay. So next we're gonna add those tomatoes. They're very soft, so they're gonna be smacked very easily. So
There goes someone's testicles.
I'm gonna censor this for the video.
Yeah, you should.
Whenever I'm with you, it's always getting dirty. Like first we dip sausage, then smacking tomatoes.
Nice tomatoes, bro.
Now it looks much better.
Yeah.
Add a pinch of salt.
Okay. We had a pinch of salt because I can smell there's not enough salt. Like this?
Yeah.
Or more?
Like this.
Like
Oh.
this?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's enough.
Okay. And this is gonna be delicious. I already know.
I guess you're almost ready, right, Domi, if I'm not wrong?
Yes, the food is almost ready. It's almost done. That's what we're gonna eat. Everybody gets like a spoon of this and then we eat and then we go home. What did you expect? Okay, so right now I'm preparing here. I'm boiling the pork and we also added some of the king chilies, like the hottest chilies, spiciest chilies you can get.
Right.
Now we're gonna wait until this is boiled. And we're gonna prepare some other stuff. And yeah. Okay guys, so the pork is boiling. So now we're gonna do some spiciness. And we're gonna smack those chilies and hope nothing spreads into our eyes.
Raja Mircha.
And those are like is it like the spiciest chili in the world?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so this food is gonna be spicy. But it's fine, I like spicy. So we're gonna crush them. Are we gonna make it a paste or we add it to something else? Like, why am I crushing this?
So you can add it to the pork that you were boiling.
Okay. Also inside the pot. Okay. So now we're gonna add the chilies to the pork. Let me put this here. So it's gonna be very, very spicy. I hope you enjoy my cooking show. It's my first time, no, my second time cooking on my channel. I made samosa in Germany. If you haven't seen it, search for the video. It's very old, but it was fun. So now I mix it. Or it's gonna mix itself. Yeah, just mix it.
It's hot. We have this.
It's fine, don't worry.
Where's my flashlight
You can use this.
It's fine, it's mixed. So now we're gonna let this boil for a while more. Maybe we clean this a bit. Smack that pork. Okay. See you once the food is not ready. See you once we're gonna do the next step. Let's go. So now we follow my grandma's recipe. And we're gonna add the bamboo shoot, which I prepared off camera. We're gonna add this. Oh, it smells good. I like bamboo shoot. We're gonna add this one here. And next we're gonna add the garlic. This one here, I also prepared off camera.
No, you prepared it on camera.
Yeah, I prepared everything. And then we're gonna mix it a bit without getting burnt. But now you can already smell. It's same smell as in my grandma's house. Okay, I think this is good. Gordon Ramsay would be proud of me.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
If you tried this. Gordon Ramsay, if you're out there watching this, meet me. So, this looks fine. We're gonna let it boil for a bit more. And then I see you again.
No, you say now we add the salt.
Now we add the salt.
I think you taught
Good
me-
job. I taught you very good.
Yeah, that's what I was about to
I
say.
mean, my grandma is the Naga
I
here,
guess
not
you
you.
have the same grandmas, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yeah, we share the same
grandpa.
Ah, cousins.
Cousins, yeah.
Maybe our grandparents were friends.
Ah,
Maybe.
maybe. You never know what's the story. At the end of the day, it all matters is that Dummy is cooking this entire thing. So okay.
Why would it die?
If it's bad now, it's her fault.
Because she added the wrong amount of salt.
No, that's enough.
If it's bad.
No, it won't be bad.
No, I was just saying, like, if it's bad now, I can shift the fault.
It's for
Just-
the video, for the video.
Yeah. Just for the video.
Yeah.
Okay, so next we're gonna add the ginger. Luckily it doesn't have a soul, so we'll be fine. Let's put this in here.
Are you sure that's ginger? I thought it was tomatoes.
No. It's tomato ginger.
Ah, hybrid.
And we're gonna mix it some more. And it is looking better and better. Before it looked quite boring, but now there's so much stuff in there. So we'll be fine. So we're just gonna buy the
Monsieur
shit out
Dummy,
of this.
what do we have to do after this?
we have to try if it tastes good.
Yes.
If it's not good,
We. Not yes. We.
we have to add maybe some more salt or something. I don't know. We will experience.
And then
taste.
it's gonna taste good.
It looks good from the outside. So we're gonna boil more of the pork, and then we see you at later.
And then see la vie.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Thinking about was.
Okay, so next we add the tomatoes. We added the tomatoes already, but we forgot to press record. So I fished out 2 tomatoes to show you. This is how tomatoes look like. And we're gonna put them in here. As easy as that. The cooking is much more easy than you think. And then we're gonna stir it a bit. And we're gonna boil everything out of this. There's gonna be nothing left. So, I don't know how much is left. I'm gonna check the recipe. But as always, see you then.
So your assistant chef is cooking really well. I'm here just to eat the food. That's all I'm doing.
Come on, Domi. Yes.
Oh, you're filming.
Yes, I am.
Perfect timing.
Cool.
Because I think the food is ready. It's perfect. Oh, smell it. It's ready.
Just smell it. Just smell the food.
Perfect.
Yeah, it is.
So we're gonna serve now. Let's go.
We have the final section of the video. Is
The
where
final section is the food.
we have the final section of the semi-final section of the video where we make Domi drink this. This is called the Pogo, the local drink of Meghalaya. If you guys didn't know, so it looks like a bowl of water, but it's not a bottle of water.
It ain't water.
It ain't water. It's something that gives
Oi, mate.
right.
So I'm gonna
For a
drink this
little
now.
bit of it, right here.
Just,
Yeah,
oh man.
It's a yak one.
Oh man, this is where you do it.
A little bit.
It's a yak one, bro.
I know that's too
More,
less.
more again.
Perfect.
Okay.
Cool.
But I have to say, I said this earlier. It smells like the Raksi in Nepal. But like on steroids.
I say this tastes exactly like the Satan's butthole.
Do I have anything to drink? Ice, okay.
Yeah, put ice. Because it's like whiskey. No?
Let me put ice first.
No, this tastes. I swear, Annie agrees. This tastes exactly like Satan's butthole.
Hang on.
Satan's butthole.
Yeah.
Exactly. Because I'm thinking twice to take this shit.
I'm gonna drink this and then I'm gonna go to church.
Right.
What are those ice cubes?
You just bang
I
them on the
feel, I
plate
feel like
upside
a
down.
caveman.
Yeah. How long has it been that you've been living under a rock?
You mean outside the cave?
Twice is
No,
enough.
inside the cave.
It's enough.
Inside the cave I lived for most of my life.
I
But
think 2 cubes is enough.
3 cubes more. 3 cubes.
It's enough.
You
It's
need
enough.
more?
I just need
That's enough.
something to drink after.
Mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes or whiskey?
Yes. Mashed potatoes.
Okay,
We're not drinking, so where did the whiskey come from?
Don't tell to the viewers.
Hey, look, I didn't drink it.
Maybe I should really get some mashed potatoes for after.
Mashed potatoes, it is.
Yeah.
Like grab a spoon of mashed potatoes and like.
This is how you do it. You get some mashed potatoes, and you get some of the Satan's butthole.
Satan's butter. Yeah.
Oh man.
Cheers up.
Everything for the content.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Yeah, what it? Good stuff.
Awesome.
Somebody get a stretcher.
Good. Good.
No, that's just a little
It
bit.
doesn't taste like Raksi at all. It tastes strong, but it's not as bad as drinking like vodka pure or something. It's actually fine. I was more scared than.
So you think you can drink it every day?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep this bottle. What do you think?
And are you gonna drink it like how you eat the koi in the bus stop or maybe on your sitting on your bed?
Oh no! I'm just gonna take this with me for my journey through Northeast India. To my viewers, I'm gonna travel all the states and I'm gonna bring this with me. So
Yeah.
it's gonna be fun.
If you meet him and he smells of pogo, you'll know where it
You
all
know where it
started.
came
If you miss in the middle of that, nobody will notice.
Yeah, nobody will
No
know.
one will
Yeah,
notice. It
true.
doesn't
So
smell also.
I can recommend. It's actually quite okay to drink. Like,
People overhype this thing and make it seem like it's much
like,
worse than
that-
it actually
that's
is.
Satan's butthole.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
No, it's not Satan's butt.
now I use the
it's like a
chance
Satan
and try the
spice.
mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
You know what they taste like?
What do they taste like?
In Germany we have a food. It's called potato salad,
Mm-hmm.
and it tastes like this.
Well, it's potatoes, so
Yeah, mashed potatoes normally are warm in Germany, and this is potato salad.
we waited too long.
So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed me drinking this. But now it's time for my food. So let's go.
I'll see you in the next video.
No.
Oh, we're gonna have to eat.
Yeah.
Cut that part out. It's a must watch because it's all about the reaction. It's not only me who's eating it. It's multiple people. So.
Okay, guys. So the food is ready. It looks delicious because obviously I made it.
The lentils.
Yeah. Yeah, but that's just regular dal and rice. So first we're gonna try this. Tastes good. A bit watery, a bit boring. Kinda like the dal from the Indian Railways. So next, let me first try the mashed potatoes, and you said with the chutney I made, with the fermented fish and the tomatoes we smacked
Yes.
and all the stuff. Yeah.
The garlic we smacked.
It tastes fine. It tastes like a mixture of the pickled bamboo shoot and the soybean we ate in the different video.
Yeah.
That's actually how it tastes like. Oh, and it's spicy. Like, did we put in chilies?
Yes.
I can.
Yeah, you smacked some chilies as well.
Okay.
There were some very naughty
Now
chilies
we
in
try
there.
the pork where we boiled the shit out of it.
Mm-hmm.
I eat it with rice, also with mashed potato,
Mm-hmm.
and also with this.
Yes.
Okay, everything in one
Mix
spoon.
everything all together.
Everything in one spoon.
Mamma mia.
Mamma mia. Tikase. How you say in...
Balase.
Barase?
Balase.
Balase.
Assumis.
Just say that again. Mamma mia, balase.
Mamma mia, balase. Tikase. Tiksa. Tikhe.